Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's tip is tweaking the composition. When you do an acrylic pour, the fluid art, use the fact that it's going to remain wet for at least a few hours, wet enough to work with while it's wet, for at least a few hours. So you have plenty of time to step away from your piece if it's not quite hitting the mark. When it hits the mark, you know that's it. But oftentimes, it's there but not quite there. Step away, come back, and see how you can actually manipulate it with normal brushes, instruments that you have, even your fingers. Manipulate the flow to perfect it to your desire. Today's set of paintings that I'm about to show you is a set of 5 that needed to look alike. Each was, obviously I did the same thing from my end in terms of it's a simple flip cup with beautiful set of layered colors, but each flip was different enough where I had to step back. There are moments when you're like, it's easier to scrap and start again, scrap, I don't know, and start again. But in this case, just stepping away, coming back, and just making the additional changes that matched my vision and coordinated the 5-piece art brilliantly worked. And so the tip is, tweaking the composition is in your power. It is possible in fluid art, not in normal acrylic art, because acrylic paint dries so quickly. But in fluid art, you have the luxury of time. So don't be too quick to scrape the painting. That's my tip, and hopefully you enjoy this piece I'm about to show you. So today I'm going to be doing a tray and coaster set. Today meaning over the course of the next 2 weeks, because what I do today has to dry, then I have to resin it, let the resin cure. So I'm going to be doing flip cups and all of these. So, like I said in my intro, tweaking the composition to your vision is a key step that one should never overlook. As you can see here, I started with my initial pours that did not look quite alike. Different colors had shown up to the party for each of them, but after a little bit of tweaking and some insertion of colors that were to balance the compositions out, this set looks completely cohesive and comprehensive. There is no doubt it's part of the same art piece.